In 2004, the NBA All-Star Game was held at the Staples Center in Los Angeles, the home of the LA Lakers. And in the actual game, Shaq and Kobe combined for 44 points, 15 rebounds, and 7 steals. And then Shaq was named MVP for Team West. So in today's video, I have the Mitchell & Ness version of this Kobe Bryant jersey that he wore in this game. And I'm going to do a full detailed review, and then I'm going to hit you with an on body. And we start right now. I would like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by, spending your time with me, and watching another video. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James, and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports-related items. And if you all could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for your boy, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop one of these bangers. And you don't miss anything. So recently, Hibbett Sports had a crazy awesome deal on Kobe Bryant authentic Mitchell & Ness jerseys. And you know your boy loves Kobe Bryant, so I had to hit the website up, see what they had available, and see if they had anything that I didn't already have. And the deal was so good that I actually bought this '04 All-Star Game jersey for $163. And I actually purchased a few jerseys, but today we're just going to look at the '04 All-Star Game jersey. And this jersey normally retails for $300. And the simple fact that Hibbett Sports was selling this jersey at such a discount, this was an easy must cop. It was so easy to cop these jerseys because they were just discounted so heavily. And I do have the jersey right here, and bam! Now, normally whenever you purchase a Mitchell & Ness jersey from Fanatics or, Mitchell & Ness's website or something like that, it comes in a plastic bag. But Hibbett has physical store locations, and they keep all of their jerseys on a wall. So what they sent me was just the jersey inside of some packaging and stuff like that. So it did not come in a plastic bag. But my first impression of this jersey, this thing is so dope. Now, this particular jersey, I've never actually seen anybody wear it in real life. And I was searching on YouTube and I couldn't even find another review of it. Now, there is probably one out there. I'm sure people do have this jersey. I'm sure it was reviewed. I was just unable to find one. But this was a jersey that I always thought was cool. I always thought about getting it, but it was $300. And there was other Kobe Bryant jerseys that I wanted more than this one. But, in hand, this thing is fire. So now let's take an up-close look and do a review of this 2004 Kobe Bryant jersey. Alright, so the colorway of this jersey, it's just a simple red, white, and blue colorway. You're going to have a red neck liner. You do get a couple of tags that are attached, so you're going to have your $300 Mitchell & Ness tag. It looks like Hibbett Sports had this on sale for $199. Got it cheaper than that, thankfully. And then you have your Hardwood Classics tag, NBA.com. On the side of the jersey, on the chest, you're going to have your NBA logo that is stitched into the jersey. At the bottom of the neck collar, you will have that star that is stitched into the jersey. In the middle of the jersey, you're going to have your West lettering. And you do get the red, white, and blue color blocking. And that's all stitched into the jersey. Very well done. Very good Mitchell & Ness quality right there. On the side of the jersey, on the chest, you're going to have Kobe Bryant's number 8 with that all-star patch. Super nice. And then going down the sides of the jersey, you're going to have that predominantly red color blocking, but you do have the white stars with the blue outline, and that's all stitched into the jersey as well. Now on the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to have this jock tag, and it says February 15th, 2004 Kobe Bryant, Hardwood Classics Authentic, and this is a size 44 large. Inside of the jersey, you're going to have your laundry tag, and this was constructed of 100% polyester, and this was made in China. And on the other side, it just has laundry instructions on how to care for the jersey. Now moving to the back of the jersey, at the top, you're going to have that Los Angeles Lakers logo that is stitched into the jersey. Very well done. Then right below that, you're going to have the Bryant lettering in blue, all stitched as well. And then you're going to have that red, white, and blue number 8 that is also stitched. And you can see the detail in the stitching. Mitchell & Ness always does a very good job at stitching. You never really see too many mistakes. So, I'm pretty happy with almost any jersey that I get from them. Now, one side note, Hibbett Sports still has a lot of Kobe Bryant jerseys on sale. I don't know how much longer they're going to have them on sale. And when I was looking at the description for this jersey, it said that all of the lettering and numbering was heat pressed. I went ahead with the purchase anyways because, for as cheap as I got it, I thought it was a pretty good deal. But it turns out that everything on this jersey is stitched. So if you are interested in this jersey and you read that description that says everything's heat pressed, it's wrong. Everything is stitched. But now that I did the review, I'm going to go ahead and throw it on and show you what it looks like on body. Now, when it comes to this Kobe Bryant 2004 All-Star Game jersey, I love this thing. I think it's so dope. I love the colorway. I do like the fit from the Mitchell & Ness. It does have some weight to it. It's not a super light jersey like a Nike Swingman or something like that. Like, you can actually feel the jersey, feel all the details in it. Mitchell & Ness does give you high quality most of the time, and they didn't disappoint with this jersey. Now, when it comes to sizing, I recommend going true to size, so whatever you would typically normally wear in a Mitchell & Ness basketball jersey, that's what you should pick up here. I always go after the 44 large, and that's what I wear. That's what works best for me. That's my true size, and that's what I recommend that you pick up as well. But I want to know what you guys think about my Kobe Bryant jersey pickup. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? It's not trash, though. It's really not. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I would like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.